happy you're here. Welcome to Learning Time with Holly and Rye.
Learning time is here today. Smiles and fun along the way. Letters, numbers, come and try. Learning time with Holly and Rye.
Today we have a delightful letter to explore.
It's the letter D. D makes the sound D, 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 D. Like dog.
Or dinosaur.
What about
Donut.
donuts?
Yummy.
What about dancing? And lastly,
Discover.
do you guys remember last time we went to the Children's Discovery Museum?
So much fun. That was the best adventure ever.
And we also did duck, duck, goose.
D is for dog. Do you have a dog?
Dogs make the sound woof, woof, woof. Can you guys bark like a dog with us?
Woof, woof, woof,
Some dogs bark differently.
D is for dinosaur.
Let's stomp like dinosaurs.
Stomp, 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 stomp.
Was that a big dinosaur stomp or
A tiny little baby dinosaur stomp. Do you have a favorite dinosaur? Mine is the T-Rex. Roar. Can you roar with us? Roar. D is also for donuts.
ooh, yummy. Sprinkles or just plain chocolate? What is yours?
Both.
Ooh, sprinkles
All of them.
and chocolate.
Oh my gosh, yummy. Look
Let's
at
eat one.
Okay, can you guys pretend to eat one with us?
Cheers.
Nom, nom, nom.
I think this one's like a caramel one. It's so good.
It smells so good.
I love
chocolate.
donuts. One more bite. That was delicious.
So tasty.
So good.
You know what else D is for?
What?
Dance.
Ooh, should we do a dance party?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
And dance fast.
Oh, we're dancing fast. We're dancing fast. What about dancing slow?
Oh. You know, we should dance like spaghetti.
How do you do that?
Like this.
Spaghetti noodles. Spaghetti, 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 spaghetti noodles. What about dance like a robot?
Let's remember our D words.
When we say it, you do it.
Dog.
What about dinosaur? Stomp, 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 stomp.
And donut. My absolute favorite D word.
Donut for delicious. Mmm.
Very delicious.
What about dance? You know we love dancing. Boom, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. You did amazing.
Guess what?
When I think of the letter D, I also think of vitamin D.
And did you know the sun gives our bodies vitamin D?
Oh, we love the sun. It's our favorite.
Come back next time and let's talk about all the things about the sun.
And all things bright and happy.
Thanks for learning the letter D with us.
Don't forget to always dance, discover, and dream big. Make sure you have your parents
Subscribe to our channel.
and like it.
Go back and check out our recent episodes.
And come see us next time. Bye.
It's always fun, fun.